Hello to everyone, the company Novestil in Ukraine. We have bought this machine for tube laser cutting from company JQ. We got it at the early beginning of this year. Within 4 days we do installation, assembly and running. Special thanks to Mr. K. He really helped us with his acknowledge, with his content support, with his answers to our questions. Now we run machine and we use it for production of furniture. The producer of furniture for offices and for home. Okay, so now it's demonstration of one of our frame for table from rectangular tube. You can see how it works, floating support, loading system for this machine. And special advantages of this machine is floating table for support. In case of long parts with a lot of holes, cuts, it's really effective for supporting. You can see how it works. So the part is cut. Without this floating support it's not possible to do it. It's micro joint what keeps these elements, and finished part is like this. And once again, special thanks to Mr. K for his acknowledge and for his really big support in studying and training with these machines. Have a good day.